Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to come on and review a product for you. If you recall, a few weeks ago I shared with you the Liene PixCut S1, which is an all-in-one printing and cutting machine that makes stickers and labels and all sorts of fun things. I will link that video down below in the description box. But they also sent me this, which is an accessory product, which I will have linked below as well, and there'll be a coupon code in the description box for you. This is called the Creative DIY Kit, and this helps you to make some really fun accessories with your Liene PixCut S1. They also sent me a extra stack of sticker paper, and this is 4x7 sticker paper and an ink cartridge, which is great. And this paper I've been using, and it sticks really well. It's waterproof when you cut things out, laminated, and it just lasts for a very long time. So I'm going to show you everything that is in the kit that you get, and then show you some projects, and we'll make one together. So this is a kit that you get. It comes in this nice storage box, and it comes with 3 different accessories that you can make. The first one is a keychain, and it comes with 3 different keychains. So they're individually wrapped like this, and it comes with this rectangle frame, and then it comes with the plastic that you can mount your stickers on. And it comes with the chain, which is just a little twisted here. And, oops, okay, so you will clip this onto the hook after you put your sticker inside. So you can change the picture out easily, customize it for seasons, for your name, for what you're using it for. And it's really nice quality, nice silver hardware. So you get 3 of those. I only have 2 in here right now because I did make one already. You also get the refrigerator magnet set, which is really fun. It comes with these 3 different like acrylic blocks, and they look cloudy now, but they just have film on the sides that you take off. That's just to protect them during packaging and during crafting. And then it also comes with 3 magnet squares that have adhesive on the back. I used 2 already, or I used 1 already, 1 of each. And then some sticker paper too, if you want to use that to stick directly onto your acrylic blocks. And then it also comes with 3 of these, which are badges. So they're nice heavyweight metal pieces that have 2 different pins on them. Here, let me get this out. You put your sticker right on the inside there. And like I said, it's laminated, so it's going to be really nicely well protected. And then it just has these little squeeze covers on the pins, so you could put it on your jacket, on your bag, you know, whatever you want to do with it. And I love that it has the 2 pins on it, because sometimes if you get the pins that have the 1, it kind of like shifts on your jacket or purse or wherever. This way it's going to stay right in place. So 3 of each. Again, this will all be linked down below. Now let me show you some samples of ones that I've made. Okay, so here's the magnet that I made, and this is Gus. This is one of my cats. You can see Gus right there. And I just love this expression on his face. It's just like, wow, what's happening? So anyway, I just mounted this directly onto the magnet square, which was recommended in the video from Liene. So I do have the acrylic block left. If you want to, you can put the sticker paper directly on top of your image and then stick it on the back of your acrylic block. But Liene does recommend that that it could cause bubbles, so just to put it right onto this. So I'm not going to use this actually for this project. I'll use that for something else, but this is my magnet for Gus, and it printed out beautifully, as you can see. Look at that beautiful detail on that sticker paper. So I did that, and then let's see. Okay, so another pet theme sample using the badge, and I printed out this this badge. Now, Nico and Leon are my daughter's cats, my daughter and her boyfriend. So I made these stickers to go on them that say Nico and Leon Fan Club. And they're very easy to make these with the program, because there are templates exactly for these products. Okay, and the last one I made is a keychain. And this is it. And I used my logo, Strawberry Cream, put in a little cricket there, and a really pretty floral background. And I added some charms to my chain that comes with the Creative DIY kit. I just had these in my stash, so I thought it'd be really nice to add them as charms. And like I said, once you put the sticker in there, which I put it on top of the little plastic piece that comes with the keychain to give it some stability, and then you just clip that lobster clasp onto the rings, and that holds the sticker into place. So let's make one together. And it's so easy. There are templates on the Liene app to show you exactly the right size to make these different projects. So here in the app, if you scroll over to the decorative stickers and then go to the right, you'll see a section that says Creative DIY Kit Stickers. And the top part are all the magnet templates, then there are the badge ones, and at the very bottom, the rectangle one is the keychain. So you just use these as templates. You can use a background if you want. You can go ahead and select them. You can delete that, replace it with your own photo. That's what I'm doing right here. And you can resize it if you want to do that as well. Select that, and that's your background. Then of course you'll probably want to edit that Jean Doe, so we're going to edit that. So you just click on it, you can change the text, you can add a picture. I'm adding a picture from my camera roll, and it can automatically delete the background through AI, which is awesome. So it'll leave you just with the image like here, and then you can scale it to fit onto your background there. So it's very simple to do. Same kind of thing with the top. Delete everything that's there, use any of it that you want. I'm going to delete it, add a background photo of my own choosing from my photo roll. Then I'm going to select the text, and I'm actually just going to edit it to say Jen's Keys. I'm going to change the color, change the spacing. You could do anything you want. There are all sorts of fonts in here that you can pick from as well. Just really customize it to however you want it to be. So that's what I'm doing there. Once you're done editing, you can click on that text at the bottom and delete it. Click on Make It in the upper right corner. And on this screen, you can decrease the margin size and make it all the way down to 0, the border. And then you're ready to go ahead and print it. So here we are over at my PixCut machine. And it's really kind of fun to watch it print because it goes through a 4-color printing process, which makes the colors really nice and vibrant and stand out. It starts at yellow and then goes through all the different photo colors. It doesn't take that long, but it's kind of neat to watch it. It's not really loud. I don't have the audio on right now, but once you have it on, you'll realize it's very, very quiet. So it will do the 4 colors over on the one side. And once that's done, it comes out this side here that I walked around to and it'll laminate it, and then it does the cutting step. So the laminating it makes it really nice and waterproof, fade proof, and just you could put it on drink cups and all that sort of thing. So this is just the final step. It's going through and cutting out our 2 stickers for the keychains. I just enjoy watching it, and it's really quick. So this is the final stage, and it's all ready to turn into a keychain. So let's go do that right now. So back to my craft table. When you get these little plastic pieces out, they do have film covering them, so you want to take that off before you add your sticker. So we'll take it off both sides like that, so it's nice and clear. Not that you have to take it off the back actually, but that's what I did. So I think this one will do the Jen's Keys, so everybody knows that they're my keys. So a good way I've found to put these on so you don't get bubbles is to just kind of like do the center first. So I'm just going to kind of gently fold it up like this, just so the center hits the plastic first. Okay, and then smooth it from the center out. And I'm a little off, but that's because I was doing it from way up here. You're going to want to do it closer, look closer than I was looking. But you can see there really aren't any air bubbles, which is nice. And that'll be fine. Okay, so then let's see if it'll fit in there with that. I'll have to trim it a little bit because I was off. That's fine. Okay, I'm just going to trim the edge of my sticker. But if you stick it on evenly, you won't have to do that. Okay, so I'm going to add that into my frame like that. That looks cute, right? And then you take your lobster claw clasp and just open that up and hook it through, and that'll keep it from popping out. So yeah, it looks super cute. And like I said, you can add some dangles to it, some, charms, whatever you want to do. It'd be a really nice gift. Holiday times are coming up. I think that would be great to, customize these and give them as gifts. So the Creative DIY Kit is available on Amazon and on the Liene website. I will leave links down below with my coupon code. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really had so much fun making these. I plan to give these out to my daughter and her boyfriend. I have extras with different colors in the background, so I'll be making more of them. I think I'm going to have to order another kit because I only have 2 other blanks, and I'm going to want to make more. I printed out more cat stickers for the refrigerator. That's Gus, I showed you. That's Holly, my black cat, and that's Leon and Nico, of course. And I made some more paper crafting projects with my Liene PixCut. I don't have a tablet, but they do have a new app that you can use on your tablets, but I just use my phone, which works well for me. You can go into the autumn section and click on all these cute different autumn icons and add them to your canvas. Then once you go to your canvas, you can drag them around, reorder them, resize the elements, and it's super easy and fun to do. And once you have everything set the way you want, you could even click on add or add elements. And I'm looking for some more autumn elements. I wanted to make a little tag, so I went to the seasonal section, clicked on autumn, and you could see all the cute little things you can add too. So just an endless supply of seasonal goodies as well as everyday. So this I'm going to make a little tag with, and once I drag that there, you click on cut, and then it takes you to the preview. You can adjust the border size if you want to do that, and then click on make when you're ready, and it'll cut and it'll print and then cut. With the candle and leaf sticker, I put it onto this die cut I made of a pumpkin, and then added it onto a layering piece onto a card, and I have a cute little autumn card. For the other sticker, the Enjoy Autumn, I put it on a little glassine bag. I put a little tea bag in there that's gingerbread tea, and then punched 2 holes at the top and tied that same ribbon through. And look at that, just a fun little gift. I thought this would be a cute addition to a blind date with a book. And then for the little tag that I made, here it is. It says autumn is here. I put it on a little strip of cranberry paper, cut the edges off with some decorative scissors, added an eyelet, and then some twine through there. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this video. Please subscribe if you're new here. I'd love to have you on my channel. I do lots of fun hauls, product reviews, crafty projects, and tutorials. And thanks to Liene for sending me the Creative DIY Kit and the extra sticker paper and ink cartridge. I really appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you have a great day. Bye.